Hello viewers, welcome to finite element analysis. In this video, we are going to see example of how FEA can be used to determine the forces acting on an aircraft component. In the aerospace industries, FEA is often used to determine the forces acting on aircraft structures. Consider an aircraft landing gear which consists of several components such as the shock strut, the main landing gear beam and the wheels. The landing gear is subjected to several loads during takeoff, landing and taxiing, including the weight of the aircraft, the impact of landing and the braking forces. The first step, determine the load. The first step in FEA is to determine the load acting on the landing gear. This load can be calculated using mathematical model or experimental data. For example, the weight of the aircraft can be calculated using the weight and balance data, and the landing loads can be estimated based on impact velocity and aircraft weight. Second step, apply the loads. Once the load are determined, they can be applied to the landing gear structure in the FEA software. The load can be applied as a point load or distributor load depending on the nature of the load. The third step, define the geometry. The geometry of the landing gear structure can be defined using a CAD software or by importing a 3D model into the FEA software. Fourth step, measure the structure. The landing gear structure can be divided into smaller elements and the node of this element can be connected to form a mesh. Fifth step, assign material property. The material property of the landing gear components such as modulus of the elasticity and Poisson ratio can be assigned to each element in the mesh. Sixth step, apply boundary condition. The boundary condition such as fixed support or prescribe the displacement can be applied to the node of the mesh to simulate the real world condition under which the landing gear will operate. Seventh step is solve the equation. The FEA software solved the equation of the finite element method for each element in the mesh and generate a solution for displacement and stresses at each node. Eighth step is analyze the result. The result obtained from the solver are analyzed and visualized to understanding the behavior of the landing gear structure under the applied loads. The forces acting on the landing gear component can be determined from the stress distribution and analysis to ensure that the structure can be withstand the expected load and stress during operation. Using these steps, FEA can be used to determine the forces acting on aircraft landing gear and ensure that it is designed to withstand the expected load and stresses during operation. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.